The Cadillac InnerSpace 2026 represents the future of luxury transportation. It is not just a car, but a futuristic mobility concept designed to deliver a premium passenger experience. The deep purple color adds a bold and elegant touch, making it stand out as a symbol of innovation and luxury in the United States market. Artist palette exterior details. The exterior design is extremely sleek and futuristic. The car features a very low height, wide body stance, and smooth aerodynamic curves. The deep purple finish enhances its premium appeal by reflecting light beautifully across the body lines. At the front, you get an illuminated grille with the Cadillac logo in the center. The vertical LED headlights create a sharp and modern look. Since this is an electric vehicle, there is no traditional engine grille, allowing for a cleaner and more advanced design. The overall exterior gives a powerful yet elegant impression. Couch and lamp interior features. Inside the Cadillac InnerSpace, everything is designed for comfort and luxury. There is no steering wheel or pedals because the vehicle is fully autonomous. Instead, the interior feels like a luxury lounge. The seats are made with premium materials and are designed for relaxation. The cabin layout focuses on passenger comfort, giving a spacious and open feel. This makes long journeys more enjoyable and stress-free. Mobile phone dashboard technology. The dashboard is one of the most futuristic elements of the car. A massive curved LED display stretches across the cabin, providing entertainment, navigation, and personalized content. The car also includes a biometric entry system. It recognizes passengers using facial scanning and automatically adjusts settings like lighting, temperature, and media preferences. This creates a personalized experience every time you enter the car. Robot face autonomous driving technology. The Cadillac InnerSpace is a level 5 autonomous vehicle, meaning it does not require any human driver. It uses advanced technologies like LiDAR, radar, and cameras to navigate safely. Artificial intelligence controls the entire driving system, ensuring smooth and safe travel. This technology allows passengers to relax completely while the car handles everything. High voltage engine and performance. Although this is not a traditional performance car, it still delivers impressive electric performance. It is built on General Motors' Ultium electric platform, which provides high efficiency and long driving range. The estimated range is over 300 miles on a single charge. The electric motors provide instant torque, ensuring a smooth and silent driving experience. The suspension system is designed to absorb road bumps, giving a floating-like ride. Money bag price and availability. Currently, the Cadillac InnerSpace is a concept vehicle, so there is no official price yet. However, experts estimate that if it goes into production, the price could range between $100,000 and $150,000 US. There's also no confirmed release date, but many features of this concept are expected to appear in Cadillac's future electric vehicles by 2026 or later. Direct hit conclusion. The 2026 Cadillac InnerSpace is a bold vision of the future. From its deep purple exterior to its fully autonomous system and luxury interior, it redefines what a car can be. This vehicle shows how Cadillac is moving toward a future where cars are not just driven, they are experienced.